Wilson. I am Miranda.
And I'm Maya, and these are your morning announcements for Tuesday, March 10th, 2020.
Today's lunch is a spicy chicken patty on a whole grain bun, golden corn, offerings bar, and a choice of milk.
Attention, any boys interested in running track, there will be a sign-up meeting for 6th and 7th and 8th graders, boys, on Tuesday, March 17th after school in the cafeteria.
Also, don't forget that 7th and 8th grade girls track sign-ups is tomorrow, Wednesday, March 11th. The meeting for 6th grade girls track will be this Thursday, March 12th. Both meetings will be after school in Mr. Brobach's room. Plan on the meeting lasting until about 3:15.
7th and 8th grade baseball sign-ups will be after school today. Ask Mr. DeSena if you have any questions.
7th and 8th grade girls softball sign-ups will be after school this Friday, March 13th. Ask Miss Yush for any questions.
All spring athletes must attend the necessary meeting in order to participate this season. You also must have a physical on file.
Don't forget that spring pictures are tomorrow, March 11th. Be sure to look your best.
Now, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. The student versus staff basketball game will be this Thursday. It will start at 6 p.m. Make sure you go. It'll be awesome.
Attention all students who will be taking the Advanced English 9 test today. You will report to the cafeteria with a pencil at 8 a.m. Please wait for the announcements. Teachers, you will have an email listing the students who will be testing.
The test will last until approximately 10 a.m. Students, please check with your first and second hour teachers to get what you missed. If you have any questions, please contact Miss Kaylin.
Today in clubs, we have robotics meeting until 4, boys group meeting until 3:30, and Harry Potter club meeting until 4.
Attention Wilson wrestlers, this is your reminder that your pizza party to celebrate your season will be this Wednesday after school in the cafeteria.
Hello everyone and welcome to the LRC. I'm Mr. Justice, your librarian, and today I'm coming to you to talk about Reading Month because it is March, and March is Reading Month. As you could probably tell by the enormous bulletin board to the left, or depending on which way you're coming from, the right of the LRC made by Mrs. Anderson, not me because the one I made should not be looked at. Here we have 3 books in front of me, and these are 3 of a few books that I'll be giving away during Reading Month. We got about 10 people that I'm going to select out of a big group of people to give prizes away. It's just going to be a random drawing. And the way to qualify for this is to come see me in the LRC when you've finished a book from the LRC and review it. So you can do that in many different formats. Do you want to review the book on a piece of paper and write it down? You can do that. If you want to come on announcements and talk about it, you can do that. Or if you'd rather just do a video like a Flipgrid or something, you can do that as well. And then at the end of the month, I'll be doing a drawing, and such as these 3 books right here on top of some other books and some other prizes will be given away. We'll probably do 10 prizes, but maybe we'll do more if we get a lot more people in here. The last thing I want to talk to you about is if you received an orange slip from your homeroom teacher, then that means you have a late book. And we just want the book, man. We do not want to give you a fine. We don't want your money. We just want the book. I run a business in here, a very successful business that relies on books. And without the books, it cannot continue. So I really need you to get those books in. I don't want your $7 for your paperback book. I just want the book. If you received an orange slip and you're like, hey, I definitely turned in this book, come see me and let me know. There are mistakes that happen with the system, and I'm sure that we can figure it out. If you definitely lost it and you cannot find it, I'm sorry, we're going to have to collect the money, but we'll go about it the best way possible. Come see me so we can figure it out. All right, I'm Mr. Justice, and that is your LRC update. Catch you on the flip
That's all for today. Have a terrific Tuesday.
Now let's all stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God,